Recording and sharing webinars with your audience is a fantastic way to engage, educate, and expand your brand's reach. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to record and share Livestorm webinars with your audience, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to get the most out of this powerful software. Before we dive in, if you're new to Livestorm, you can use it for free, and I've got an exclusive bonus for you when you sign up through the first link below. Stick around and I'll share that with you later. Livestorm is a great platform for live webinars, but what sets it apart is its user-friendly recording feature, which allows you to record your sessions seamlessly. The process starts by creating your webinar on Livestorm's dashboard. Once your event is set up, it's time to start your live session. When the webinar begins, you'll automatically be recording. During your webinar, the recording captures everything: video, audio, and any content you share on screen. The beauty of Livestorm is that it's designed to be simple, so you don't have to worry about complicated settings. Once your session is over, the recording is processed, and you can access it within minutes. Now, when it comes to sharing your recorded webinar with your audience, Livestorm makes this process equally simple. After the session, go to the webinar dashboard, find your recording, and Livestorm will generate a shareable link for you. You can then send that link directly to your audience, embed it on your website, or even share it across social media. Livestorm also lets you customize the player to align with your branding so your audience has a cohesive experience from start to finish. You can add a call to action directly in the player, which means you're driving engagement and conversion as they watch. If you want to take things a step further, Livestorm allows you to download the video, so you have the option to edit it before sharing. For those of you who are new to this, you might wonder, what if my audience missed the live session? Don't worry. Livestorm automatically sends out a recording email to all registered attendees with a link to the on-demand webinar. That means even if they couldn't make the live session, they'll still have access to the content. What's really great about this feature is the data you get after the webinar. Livestorm provides analytics, so you can track how many people watched the recording, how much they watched, and even engagement metrics. This is a great tool for understanding your audience better and improving your future webinars. Now, let's talk about something that sets Livestorm apart: its integration capabilities. You can integrate Livestorm with your CRM, email marketing tools, and other platforms, which makes it easier than ever to capture leads from your webinar recordings and send follow-up emails automatically. Livestorm's free plan is perfect if you're just getting started. It includes many of the features I've mentioned today. And when you use the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial, allowing you to test even more features without committing to a paid plan. So, if you're looking to streamline the way you record and share webinars with your audience, Livestorm is definitely worth checking out. To recap, you can easily record your webinars, share them with a click of a button, and even integrate them into your marketing automation. With Livestorm's easy-to-use features and powerful analytics, it's a fantastic tool for anyone wanting to level up their digital marketing efforts. Remember, you can get started for free today by clicking the link below, and don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive bonuses with the extended trial.